evening, sir. Good evening, ma'am.
Good evening, Tanisha. Have your seat.
Can we have your CV, please? Please have a seat.
Thank you, ma'am.
How are you?
Good.
How was your travel?
It was awful, but it was nice.
Are you tired?
Not actually.
Okay. Tell us something which is not there in your CV. Tell us something interesting about you.
Ma'am, I would like to start by introducing myself. I'm Tanisha Bhavsar, and in my CV, I've written that I'm an inter-school basketball player. But I wanted to pursue this further. I want to be a professional player, which I could not continue because of my studies.
Okay. Something more you want to add on to your CV in your near future.
I would like to add my certification courses, which I would like to get into because in MBA, I want to learn more and more new things. So I should be prepared for that.
Okay. You say that you are from Ujjain, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it's a very interesting city, one of the oldest cities of the country. So tell us something more about that city, your hometown.
As you know, it is famous for Mahakaleshwar temple and it has become a biggest tourist place. It is one of ancient cities with Kashi and Dwarka. And actually, I've written in my hobby also that I like to explore ancient places. That is because I'm from Ujjain and there are very much of like forts and temples, ancient temples. And that's it.
What was the earlier name of Ujjain? What can you tell me the name chronologically? In reverse chronology. Before Ujjain, what was the name?
It was Avantika.
And
Nagari.
before that,
Sir, I don't remember actually. I'm sorry.
only Avantika you remember.
Yeah.
It was in the reign of which king?
Vikramaditya.
Vikramaditya. Vikram and Betal stories I have heard of.
Yeah.
Was Betal in real?
No, actually, it is said that there was some person who helped Vikramaditya in solving cases which came into the court, but I don't think that it's a real story. In my opinion, I don't think so.
Okay. And what type of reading do you do?
I'm more of a motivational book and self-help genre person, but I'm little bit inclined towards fictional books too.
What all books have you read till date?
Sir, like Rich Dad Poor Dad, Psychology of Money, Atomic Habits, and How to Win Friends and Influence People. All sort of books I read.
Any fictional novel?
Kite Runner,
Kite
A
Runner.
Thousand Splendid Suns,
Who is the author?
Khalid Hussain,
Any other book from Khalid Hussain?
A Thousand Splendid Suns.
And you're planning to read that as well?
Sir, I've read that.
Both of them.
Yes, sir.
So, what you've done your graduation as BCom, right?
Yes, sir.
When did you complete your graduation?
2024.
2024. And what have you have been doing since then?
Sir, I was preparing for CAT.
And what was your percentile?
92.9.
92.9. You were preparing whole year. I don't think CAT is an examination just where you need to prepare for such a longer duration. And still you didn't convert it.
Sir, actually, I've thought that it was sort of difficult for me as I was not from maths background. So I faced problems in mathematics, which was my weak point. So I think that it was sufficient time for me to prepare for CAT.
But 92 percentile, do you think it is the best
No,
you
sir,
can do?
they
It
were
is
not
best out of
enough, but that's all I could get. And well, I would rather try my best again, but I don't think so I have enough time to do that.
So then how would you actually, make it to MBA and how MBA is going to help you in your career? Because if MBA entrance is such a hurdle, then doing an MBA would be a real amount.
Ma'am, actually, I was from starting, I was inclined toward management things as my father is a businessman. So I always had that exposure. So I want to learn more about managing things and about people from experienced faculties there. I think it is a way to forward for my career goals.
Okay.
What is your career goal? I mean,
I
recent
want to
at
be an
least 3 years.
entrepreneur, basically.
In
But-
which stream you want to explore that entrepreneurship?
Ma'am, as it is a generic topic of entrepreneurship, but I'm more inclined towards management, human resource management.
Human resource management. Cool.
Oh.
What is the definition of human resource management?
So it's basically how you deal with your employees, your peers, and how well you can take them together on achieving objectives. Sorry.
Is that so? That's it.
So
Okay. What was your favorite subject in BCom?
cost accounting.
Cost.
Accounting.
Cost accounting. Okay. How are ESOPs are entered in the balance sheet?
So sorry.
ESOPs. What are ESOPs?
So
ESOPs. नहीं पता.
nice.
बैलेंस शीट आप ड्रॉ करके बता सकते हैं ब्लैंक पेज पे
हाँ, sure.
प्लीज. Sit down. I will give you. How does a typical balance sheet look like? What is there? What is that towards the end?
So that's sum total.
Sum total. Please have your seat. Liabilities, amount, assets, and amount again.
Yeah.
How do we calculate? How do we do the entries?
So from first we enter all the things in journal, then we make ledger, and from that particular heads are divided, and then we'll write it in balance sheet accordingly. Like it's capital. So capital is a liability of owner towards business. So we'll write in a liability side column.
Okay. And what is this amount?
The amount which is in books, our books of journal.
Okay. And what are NPAs? Have you heard of NPAs? Non-performing assets.
Yeah, non-performing assets are like goodwill. They don't perform actually.
Those are non-performing assets. Goodwill is a non-performing asset. Then what are tangible, non-tangible assets?
So tangible assets are furniture and buildings, and non-tangible is goodwill.
Then what is non-performing asset then?
If it is non-performing, it should be liability. How is it asset?
Ma'am, advertisements can come into non-performing assets.
No.
They enhance productivity. They enhance sales also.
I'm sorry, ma'am. I don't have idea regarding
Difference between accounts and finance?
accounts and finance.
Accounting and financing?
Accounting is basically making a record of everything that is day-to-day activities, and finance is basically how we can raise our money in market.
Okay.
What is the role of an HR manager in any company
Ma'am,
in general?
to get along with people, to get along with their employees, and to communicate among different hierarchical positions.
Is that so? That's it? Training?
So training is also important part.
Okay. Recruitment?
So training, recruitment, staffing, and motivating them, giving them incentives.
Addressing the grievances.
Yeah.
Okay.
And how do you see this degree would enhance your career, and where do you see yourself in a particular sector or in a particular company that you have dreamt of? Any dream company?
This degree will provide me with practical knowledges, which is very important for an MBA. And I think that degree will definitely help me in getting along with the people and to learn more and more new things. My ultimate goal is to become an entrepreneur. And for this, I think this is a perfect path I can choose.
Okay. Any dream company?
No, sir, not actually.
Not actually. Have you read about any alumni, the alma mater of the college? I am Kozhikode.
Yes, sir. It is Kozhikode Chairman A. Vella. I'm sorry, sir, I forgot the name.
Okay. Can you tell me something more specific about I am Kozhikode? What do you know? What you have read about it?
So it's a college which is built upon two hills, and the design and architecture is basically of religion and tradition culture that is followed in Kerala, and it was designed by Joseph Allen Steele.
Okay. And who is the Chief Minister of Kerala? Who is the Chief Minister of your home state?
Dr. Mohan Yadav.
Dr. Mohan Yadav.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Who is the Governor of Madhya Pradesh?
Mr. Patil.
Mr. Patil. Who is he? Full name?
Manu Bhai Patil, I guess.
Okay. And how many states are there in India?
29 states.
And how many union territories?
7. Leh Ladakh was not considered.
As UT.
Yeah.
It is considered as what?
No, earlier it was not considered, but now like Jammu and Kashmir are different and Leh Ladakh is different.
So, what's the political difference between a union territory and a state?
Union territory is governed by president or central government, and states have their respective chief ministers.
Why? Why such a
Because
distinction?
of various things, like because of the area of that city.
See, Delhi is a union territory, right? But
Yes.
it has its own chief minister.
Sir, it's because it's capital of India, and it should be governed by both the central government and state government.
Goa is a UT.
No, sir, it's a state.
It's a state. Okay.
Okay, you say that you have been awarded in extempore competitions. So that means you're quite eloquent in speech and, talking to people and all. So can you name at least 5, 7 leaders or, very eloquent speakers of your country or maybe world that you follow?
Ma'am, first I'll start with Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. I am big fan of his. Then our PM Narendra Modi, as you know, he can gather any number of crowd for his speech. Then Dr. Jawaharlal Nehru, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru was one of the person I follow. And that's it.
Any females?
No recent ones.
Mother Teresa.
Mother Teresa was eloquent speaker.
No, ma'am. Actually, I like to read about her speeches which she used to give. And
So what
about
was my
her-
question?
About eloquent
Mother Teresa
speeches.
wasn't eloquent speaker.
No, ma'am, but the
She
way
was a philanthrope.
No, actually, the way she used to present her opinions to people, I like that way.
Okay.
So, you have mentioned about basketball.
Yes, ma'am.
Can you tell me the exponents of basketball from India and international level?
So from international, it's Michael Jordan,
Hmm.
Jeffrey, and from India, I think is Kareem Abdul Ghaffar.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Do you think cricket is more hyped in India and other sports are being neglected and ignored
Yes,
way too
ma'am.
much? What's your opinion on that?
I think cricket is little bit hyped because it's the most preferred sports in India. But I think we should give due importance to other sports as well.
What is the reason behind?
Due to publicity of players, I guess.
But
Money involved? Commercials?
Commercials are due to the popularity it gets.
Okay. So do you think even basketball can actually chase that commercial and
Ma'am,
give?
if the opportunity is given, it can definitely do so.
So why is it lagging behind right now? Why is the government not giving that importance
Ma'am,
it
the
deserves?
thing is that in our country, sports quota is considered like not that important thing, and cricket is being hyped because of players' popularity. So I think that if we'll give importance to basketball and other games too, then it will definitely gain that popularity which cricket has.
what are Veblen goods?
So I don't have any idea.
Okay. Do you have any questions?
No, sir.
Okay, we are done with the introduction. Thank you.
Thank you. So, what do you think? How was it?
It was not good.
It was not good. Why?
I was not confident enough.
Okay, and?
My knowledge was lacking.
So you're underprepared.
Yes,
You're
ma'am.
not completely, in the mood of and in the spirit of that interview right now. Okay, you're quite hazy, you're not very clear, all right, then you're not ready to speak up. Now your CV says that you have been a team player and you have been into extra-pro competitions, and so, but then when you interact with us, we feel that you're quite reserved, you're not ready to open up, we're trying to make you speak up, but that you're not ready, you're just saying few sentences, maybe one or two sentences, and you just getting away from it. So that's not good. You should be interested in talking. Why is PI conducted? What's the purpose of interview?
To interact.
They just want to understand as a human being how pleasant you are, as a team member, as a classmate, how good you will be, or will you be an asset to the college or not. All right, so you should be ready, you should be pleasant, you should always wear a smile on your face. All right, you should show that interest in talking with the people you're
Yes,
interacting.
ma'am.
Even if you don't know certain questions, that's fine. I mean, we are not expecting a computer or an AI, a tool in front of us that ChatGPT hai jo question do uska answer aayega. We're not expecting that. You're a human being and we work. That's fine. But then you should be pleasant with that. All right. It's fine if you don't know a few questions here and there. It should not be repetitively like, I don't know. I'm sorry, I don't know. It should not be like this.
Okay, ma'am.
All right. Even if you don't know, try and speak up something and then say that probably I need to learn a little more about it, or probably I need to know more about it, or I would really appreciate if you could add on to the knowledge. Okay. So you should be pleasant in interacting with the seniors.
Okay,
All
ma'am.
right.
Thank you.